Very good evening, ladies and gents, and welcome to tonight's isolation session. Risk warning: trading is risky. CFDs and spread bets, really high risk because of leverage. These signals, you're not going to be able to claim any compensation from the Ombudsman or access the compensation services scheme. Ultimately, Synergy is authorised and regulated to deliver this service. So let's start. Really, really quiet Christmas week. We've had 2 trades out in the standard. We've had 3 out in the premium. Where are we? Thursday at the minute. There's just been a lot of news, but we've got really good action going on, in particular with the way gold's moving around at the minute. Now, definitely have missed gold. It would have been a late entry at 39. It did come back 10 pips on that, but now you've got the classic 1, 2. This is a long that will continue, and it's a really nice setup. High, high low, high, high, high low, break, change. So it is one missed, but again, how do you take this with the news? You have massive news out. GDP data in America is huge news. But we did come back. We did create some really interesting structure today that I take very bullishly. So yeah, this looks really bullish from here. This really does look quite bullish indeed. Even taking longs here, you've got 1, 2. Now it's going to give you a third. It's this action here. We closed above our highs, high lows. We closed above here as well. Wow, that is tempting. That's seriously a tempting one. Change, break, close above. 2. I'd hate to say it, but this is a log here. Yeah, this is a long. Right, so we started off on gold. Gold's looking interesting. Right, let's go through these AUD CAD. We spoke about this going up, and it's going up. It's certainly gone up all day today. Nice W structure. We have been in this. It's setting up really nicely for a new cycle. There's one. We'll consider this guy as well tomorrow. He looks really good. To continue to move higher. This is just really nice action. Yeah, this is one I'm really keen on for tomorrow. GBP AUD, so I'll write that down. So we've got AUD CAD. Okay, AUD CAD. Gold. Very bullish. GBP AUD coming back down. Not as expected, but we're in level 2 consolidation, waiting for price to steady. CAD CHF, this is one we're watching as well. Price has completed the massive ABCD. One thing that does get my attention is this low, 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 high, low, 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 high. We may well complete this ABCD pattern, but the big ABCD pattern still is very highly visible. You can see it. AB is equal to CD. That's where we stopped. You can see the pattern here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 to the low. For me, this is serious buying territory. But you need to see price to turn around because at the minute making lower lows and lower highs. Fast. GBP JPY. GBP JPY. I will not be trading this either. This did trick everyone yesterday. If you have a look, it's given high highs, high lows, high highs, high low, retest. People are jumping on here. Showed them push 1, gave them push 2, pulled away. Pulled it away at the last minute. Notice the lower high here, or equal high. And we've come down in 3 moves. 1, 2, 3, pass. Euro GBP. So this is both a long and a counter trend short. The premium group had it as a short today, but we're still riding it long. We're nearly at TP2 on the long side if it is to continue. But we're just coming back into this area of resistance. You can see 3 pushes up, 1, 2, 3. So that tells us the pattern's coming to a bit of a slow point. There has been really good ABCD structure. A, B is equal to C, D. That comes in up here. But then you've got the A, B is equal to C, D. And then you have the 1, 1, 2, 3, which is 2. Expect the pullback tomorrow and then move off again. So waiting for a higher low. Euro USD, impossible to get in with. This is coming off, making structure within level 1 consolidation. So we know where price wants to go. This is still nice action. Difficult to get involved with though, because you're trading at a previous high at the 800, which is huge resistance. So we'll just watch. Christmas markets, they're very difficult. Euro JPY peak formation pass. GBP CHF is selling off to retest that low. Pass. NZD JPY also sort of stagnating, but has broken structure. Close above here will set up longs. AUD USD reaching higher. Really, really strong stuff at the minute. 2 weeks of rise. High, 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 low. High, high, 1, 2. It's making the third, but you can see high, 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 low, high, 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 low. 1, 2, making the third, pass. Gold we just spoke about, how super bullish it is. Really is super bullish. Super bullish. Now is the time to buy it, by the way. Now is the time to buy it. It's very tempting to buy gold at these levels. Just trying to have a look on my spread betting account about getting some at these levels. And what are we doing here? Apologies about this. Leave that for now. Gold looks really good, and I really want to get involved in it. Euro NZD, waiting for it to complete. We're hanging around the bottom of the harmonic. Could be an ABCD in the making. Lows of level 2 consolidation. AUD CHF again hanging around the lows. Is this a double bubble bottom? Level 1, level 2? Not sure. The previous peak's much lower. What's price doing? They're sort of inducing, pulling away, creating these lower highs all the time. I can see this 1, 2. It's really is quite primed to push higher here. So we'll have to keep an eye on that as well. Euro AUD creeping lower towards this harmonic low. We're keeping an eye on this for a long. Euro CHF was going to send a buy on this as well, but it's sort of moved away. There is an ABCD pattern present. A, B equals C, D. After 3 days of drop, it missed it by a smidgen and moved away. This is a massive pattern that you can see in its full glory. Level 1, level 2. Double bottom hits 3 times. 3 years of drop. This is ultimate bargain basement time if it holds. GBP USD, again, spooling around the 800. Level 1 consolidation. Giving away slight high highs and high lows, but this is just one segment. I'm waiting for the retest. Pass. Now USD JPY coming off. This is a huge pattern. It's got a huge distance to get some sort of normality back. High, 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 low, high, high, low, high, high, low. 3 times. Market pulls back. A few more to go. USD CHF, double bottom. Super interesting level. 3 pushes to a low. 1, 2, 3. This one's gold as well. USD CHF hasn't go well with gold though. NZD USD, this is one that again missed today. Even though the harmonic's completed, it is lower highs. We have completed the 1, 2, 3 to the high. I did want to get involved on the rise because it was showing me clear structure, which I will try to show you here. So what was evident is the fact that we had this bottoming out period, so a W, then we had push 1, consolidate, push 2, track false, and then we had, if we zoom in, we had this change of character here, but we also had 1, 2, we know it's going to give this third. So yeah, that was really nice. AUD/JPY is still sort of rotting at the minute. We have had this nice sort of support level held, but this is ultimately the M consolidation one. I expect this to dump overnight. Massive Gartley pattern. Gartley patterns here. You might be able to see it on the 1 hour. Oops. A, B, C, D, high, 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 low, high, 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 low, and it'll probably come off more. EuroCAD, spooling around at the bottom, middle of consolidation 1, pass. Can only see so far 1. I expect 2 and 3, to be honest. USD CAD getting hammered at the moment, but it's revealed it's 3 pushes lower. And in this move, it's gone and done a 1, 2, and a 3, 800 in sight, order blocks in sight. This is a massive long. CHF/JPY peak formation pass, AUD, NZD, nice change and a break. This is actually a long for tomorrow, AUD, NZD. Let me go and examine them a bit closer. CAD/JPY. Peak formation pass. So there you have it. If you have any questions, please reach out. I hope you enjoy the content.